This is day 2 of learning mechatronics. If you want to build really cool stuff like Iron Man, or get into 3D printing, or maybe even just build really cool robots like this, mechatronics is the field for you. So today we're building a blinking LED using Tinkercad. Now you can use real components, but I'm just using the circuit design feature on Tinkercad. Now there's a lot of components, but we're only going to use the basic ones for now. Now pull out your breadboard so I can explain to you how it works. So the breadboard is essentially this device that can be used to connect stuff without solder. So this is the positive strip to which you can connect all your positive wires, and that is the negative strip to which you can connect all your negative wires. And now these are 5 strips that are connected to each other. So each number is connected to each other. So A, B, C, D, E, 1 is connected to each other. And now they're separated by the bridge and mirrored on the other side, like so. Now pull out your Arduino and let's explain how that works. Now Arduino is basically a brain that you can use to control different electronics like motors. This is the reset pin. That is where you connect your cord to give it the commands from your laptop. Those are the analog pins that detect changes in voltage. Now these are your power pins that you can use to connect external power supplies. Now these are the digital output pins which are used to connect the stuff that you want to control. Now there are a total of 13 digital output pins on an Arduino. Now let's get into building the blinking LED. So the shorter pin of the LED is the cathode and the longer one is the anode. So now you just want to put it on the breadboard like so, and now what you're going to do is bring out a resistor which you're going to connect to the anode, and then make sure to not connect them in the same number. And now we're just going to connect that to 13 and the cathode to the ground. Now the void setup is basically to tell which pin is going to do what, and now the loop is where your code actually runs. So you're supplying variable voltage to make it blink, and the delay is to actually give it time between blinking and not blinking, and you can change the delay depending on how fast you want it to blink. So as you can see, it works. Now there's a lot of components on Tinkercad which we're going to tinker around with in future videos. So follow for more and to keep learning. Goodbye.